How's it, everybody? It is me, TheEmeraldChannel here today, and welcome to a different game. I don't play Roblox much, but I remember playing this game a long time ago, and I thought this was like the scariest game on Roblox, so I wanted to share it with you guys today. So here we go. This is a perfect time because it's daytime. So basically the aim of this game is to build a base and... There's the rock. We need that. So, the aim of the game is to build a base and survive at night, so you don't get hurt by the employees, if there's anyone around. So you basically build like a wall and roof. Ooh, this is the perfect place to settle, because there's walls everywhere. So we're gonna make this our home base. So basically, yeah, you build walls to protect yourself from the employees, because if you're caught out at night after the store closes, the employees will kill you. So first of all, just so we don't lose our place, we're going to set a waypoint here, name this our home. No! Home. And we'll make it a house. There we go. Create the waypoint. So now wherever we're at, even if we die, we'll see this is our home waypoint right here. But you do need to get food, water, and stuff like that to survive. I couldn't think of anything else. Can we pick up this? Oh yes, we can. I'm gonna build walls out of fences. Genius. Let's see how fast we can get our house constructed before it hits nighttime. Oh, that's me making that noise. Oh, I started panicking. And so you can transform things in any way you want, like this. I can move this all the way like that. We'll kind of use that as our front door kind of thing. We'll just move that out of the way when we need to. Oh, see, kind of like this. Look, people can like move structures, and someone was already building right there. Alright, there we go. Oh, this is the perfect window. So we can use like a window to see through our base to see if there's like employees out there, so they can't get through, but they can still see in. There's another wall. I saw a big double bed over here. We'll use these as walls. Maybe kind of as a front door too, or a back door to get out of this other side. I'm kind of going big and ambitious for this first base. Oh good, there's food right here. That's exactly what we needed, so. Oh look, people want to join a group over there, or they're asking for people to join their group. We're going to be on our own for a minute now. Maybe eventually we'll get some people. Well, this game's a lot easier than I remember it being. Like, oh, that wall is still very unsecure. I gotta make this secure very quick, or we're gonna get caught in the middle of the nighttime with an open wall. There we go. Here, we can use that. Perfect. Boom, basically like that. Now, oh, I should secure the top right there. Basically like that. So now if I want to get into the house, I just move this and we're basically good. But what I would like to do is build that wall up higher and maybe get a roof on the place, because they can climb, some of them can. So let's head back out there. Ooh, that'll work. These will work. And also, no, don't expect a habit of me playing Roblox. I don't play this game much, but I remembered this game and I thought it'd be fun to make a video about. Oh yeah, and if I'm feeling frisky, we can hit the H to make a whistle noise and attract other employees. We have to find an employee because I don't know where they're at. Oh, and eventually we can build a floating base up on that pillar if we want to. I'm taking a toilet because who doesn't need a toilet? I mean, you know, if you're gonna get murdered in an Ikea, you don't really need a toilet, but we do. We should get a lamp so it's not dark in there. But the light does attract employees, by the way, I think. But I'm not worried about that. There we go. Let's get a bed. We're just decorating the house a little bit before we put a roof on it. It's a bad idea. There we go. Oh, shoot. So like that, see? Now we're secure. I think this is a window, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see if we can attract some employees over here. Oh, there's one all the way over there. I don't know if you saw that, but you see a red silhouette when you whistle. Let's see if I can, when I whistle again, I'll show you. See that little red silhouette over there? That's an employee. For the first night, we're not going to exactly go exploring. We're just going to hide out, and then we'll go exploring the Ikea. Drop the Dr. Bob. And then we'll also finish the roof on this thing. We should be okay for tonight since it's only night 14 at the top, so this is a relatively new server. Blood moons or red nights don't happen as much as they should. Oh, also, welcome to my little apartment room. If you heard about that in the last video, but I didn't have a face cam set up, or I still don't. I'm using my iPad that I actually use for school to record my face right now, so this is the room. It's nothing special, but it's a place to sleep. I got my bed right here. And this is just the boring part of the game where you just wait, so gonna play some games. It's daytime. Those take a lot longer than I remember. But there is an employee over here I want to go look at. It's still foggy. We should be okay. I think there's an employee over here. Yeah, look, see? Why is he coming after me? No, wait, hold on. Hold on. Are you friendly? Oh, ow, oh, no, he's not. Oh. I guess we'll go back to our little home. Hopefully he's not following us still. We should be okay. Let's start by putting a roof on this bad boy. There we go. This is actually very eerie. Hello? We should be okay. We're good. I think. Wait, let's see if we can get him over here. Where is he? I found him. Holy hell. He was just right there. That was terrifying. That actually scared me. We gotta get him away from our base. Here he comes. There he is. Wait a minute. I think this might be someone's base. Wow, they got quite the setup. I just need this bit, so we'll walk away. He's right there. If we make a wide loop around this big post, he shouldn't notice us running away. We're good. There we go, we're good. There we go. We're doing okay. The scary employee's gone. I can't believe he heard us. Oh, I need to go grab more food. And that'll be my priority tomorrow, to go explore and get some food. And you can create as many of these, like, waypoint things as much as you can, so you can make, like, outposts and stuff like that. We'll see how far we get in one day of recording. And an issue with this game is it doesn't save. So all the progress I make right now, as soon as I leave the game, I can't recuperate it. So maybe I'll make a few episodes in one day. Penguin. Penguin on a toilet. His name is Frederick. Frederick the Penguin on a toilet. Oh look, we can put a light in our house. Oh, and then there's some wall lights. Might as well get some of those. Just trying to make our house look a little better with some lights and make it homey. Maybe we could build on top of that eventually, or that. Get up there. That's a good idea. We just need to finish our roof. There we go. Yeah, it's not beautiful, it's not perfect, but it's coming along. This is a big base to have as your first base, especially alone. Like playing online with friends, it's a lot easier. I think oh. We should be okay. I don't see any employees. Yeah, we're alright. We can keep building our roof, we might as well. Oh wait, that's a big one. Oh! I have no energy. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I didn't realize I had no energy. Oh. Just gonna go this way. You stay over there. Where'd they go? They're there. Oh wait. Oh, we should be okay. Oh, they're right outside. You see him? I'm tempting fate. Hey, wait, what if I move this out of the way? Oh! Haha, loser can't get me. Loser. Come at me, bro. Oh yeah, what are you gonna do? Walk away? Okay. Oh, I guess I kind of messed up the front door situation. Let's see. We'll fix that front door. There we go, and we'll move our desk back to where it was. There we go. Now we're good and secure. This one always gets me because I think there's a open hole there. Oh, wait. I have food already. I'm going to have to eat it all. Consume. There we go. We're okay. We're okay. But now I have to wait for another night, so here we go. Oh, we're good. And it's daytime, so they don't chase after you. Exactly. See? They just walk around. Can I push them? See, they don't hurt you in the day anymore. Look at that. So him and I are bros. Look at this. I don't know why he jumped like that. We're gonna finish off our roof today, I think. Then we're gonna go on. Oh, then we're gonna go on an adventure after we finish the roof. Oh man, and sometimes you'll see people who like build second floors in their houses. I'm like, and they like build like an actual home. It's kind of crazy. I saw it the other day when I was playing with Garen. It wasn't yesterday, but it was the other day. It was crazy. Oh man, I didn't realize that I'm low on food and water. I need to go grab some food from somewhere. There's a food court area right here, I think. There's no employees around. We should be good. Oh, there's a player right there. I wonder if we can follow her and steal her food. No, she's on mobile. Oh wait, there might be food in here. No. Where's food? I see food right there. We're good, we're good. Alright, let's eat up real quick. There we go. Oh. We're 500 studs away from my house. Oh, there's a lot of players over here. Okay, we made it, we made it. He was following us, he was really close. We're good. Look at him. What a little loser. He can't get us. We're good. Well, here's another night. Let's see, where is he? Over there. No one else is around. We're good. Our roof is only exposed kind of slightly. What if I can get on top? Oh, I can. Let's see if we can get him over here. So, a little backstory to this game. It's from, if you know the SCP Foundation is, it's from that series of games. This is SCP-3008, where you're stuck in an Ikea, and, like, there's no way out, you're just trying to survive. Yeah, just a little backstory on that. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a fun little game. What if I could reach? Where did that employee go? He's over there. Nice, fantastic. I could build like a bridge to get over on top of there. Oh look, here he comes. Hi, buddy. What are you gonna do about it, Little punk. Just messing with the employee. Oh shoot! No! No! I don't think we can get you when you're on a ladder. Let's see. Yeah, we're good. Wait. Oh, no we're not. Oh. Holy crap. Look at the size of this guy. He's probably so slow he doesn't run fast. So we can get near him, see? Oh, he runs. Oh. Let's just sneak away. He doesn't see us, we're good right here. I'm just trying to get all the employees away from my base. This would be a nice place to set up a base. Ooh, there's a lot of them. Oh, there's a beefy guy. Oh man. They're not as scary as I thought. They don't move. Oh, I have 0 energy. This is a bad idea. There's so many employees. What's this? Scrub Daddy. We're good. We're good. Whoa. Look at that base. That is cool. Let's go raid their base, I guess. So I gotta pick up some food. Let's go up there and see if we can get in. That's so cool. I've never seen a base like this before. Holy cow. So here's where all the food has gone. This is so cool. We're gonna eat everything we can. Oh, hot dogs. To heal up more hunger. Nice. This is cool. We got like a whole setup here. This is really cool. I'm gonna leave this one alone. Other than I took their food, but we're okay. I'm gonna set an outpost here. This will be one of my outposts, I guess, since I don't see anyone living here. I'll do this outpost 1. And the outposts will be, this is our food outpost. Create waypoint. There we go. Now let's head back to our home, I guess. Excuse me. Alrighty. We have all this food here we're just gonna store. Right there. And we're good. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this first video. I hope you all enjoyed. Go ahead and smash like if you want to see the next one. I'm going to record it immediately after this one, but I won't upload it unless you guys want me to. So go ahead and smash like if you want to see more. Don't forget to subscribe as well. This is a very informal outro. Anyway, do the world a favor, guys. Keep smiling. Goodbye.